Hi, this is Zach with Omnis Technologies, continuing on our CTERA series. Today's video, we're going to be talking about encryption. So basically, encryption is creating a structure to where your data is not easily obtained or stolen. So today we're going to be diving into a couple types of encryption. The C200 actually has local encryption on the hard drives, and it also has encryption when we're pushing off to the cloud. And we're going to be diving more into that right now. So looking at the local device under volumes, this particular client we have encryption on. We don't necessarily do encryption for everybody, but it kind of depends on how security oriented or if there's some type of ISO compliance. Obviously we can enable encryption, local encryption on any C200 that's deployed. It's just maybe not necessary. So right next to the volume 1, there is a lock. That means that this particular data volume is encrypted. So if we go into the wizard, the next page should show us the password. So this is how we know it's encrypted, volume encryption. So that way, if someone was to steal the local device, the data would not be able to obviously be read. So we usually pick a pretty strong password. And the good thing is they'll tell you the password phrase. This password is fairly strong, and we have that documented, but it will obviously tell you if it's weak or strong. So this is local encryption for the CTERA. Now, the big one is obviously when you're pushing that off site. So if we go under cloud backups, control panel, and we can actually, we're going to put this link in the video. This is all of the information that CTERA has to offer. So when we're doing the cloud backup, they use the AES 250 and TLS 1.2 securely. So when we're pushing that data off site, your actual data is encrypted from the CTERA to your own private cloud. And that's the way we set these up, is everyone has their own account on our on our web hosting, with everyone has a private cloud on our space, and all of the compliances are right here with CTERA. It's HIPPA, Department of Defense. I mean, it's great. And then there also is some data governance as well. So looking under here, the last backup for this particular client was it was about 50 minutes, but the other thing that happens is with these CTERAs, if the backup process is interrupted or you lose internet, it basically starts all over. It doesn't pick up right where it was left off. So it restarts that whole backup process over. But I actually wish I could show you one that's actually in transit, but unfortunately it's during the day and we don't generally run them. But running from here, it would almost have like a progress bar going across. But like I said, that process of backup from the CTERA to the private cloud for each of our clients is encrypted with AES 250, and in transit it's 1.2 TLS.